Flit the Canary and the Cloud on the Mountain. That summer, the forest was scorching hot. The sun had warmed the leaves, and the flowers bowed their heads slightly. The stream bed had dried up, and frogs tried to stay cool under the rocks. Squirrels clung to tree trunks, murmuring, "Oh, if only we had a little water." Flit the Canary was a bird with golden feathers and sparkling eyes. Every morning, she sang songs to the flowers and spread joy across the forest. That day, she flapped her wings and thought, "Maybe I'll find a rain cloud in the mountains." She let her wings glide on the warm winds, soaring above the treetops. When she reached the mountaintop, she saw a gigantic grey cloud. The cloud swayed sadly, with faint lightning flickering inside. Flit approached gently, spreading her wings gracefully. "Hello, my friend," she said. The cloud replied in a tired voice, "Hello, little bird. No one understands me. I'm so weary. I don't want to rain anymore." The cloud's exhausted eyes glowed with pale blue light. Flit pleaded, "The forest is so thirsty. Could you spare a little rain for them?" The cloud trembled slightly. "Everyone wants something from me. I just need to rest," it whispered. Tiny lightning bolts flashed inside it, and a few raindrops trickled out. Flit wagged her tail and sang to cheer up the cloud. "La la la, don't be blue. Let's fly to the forest, me and you. La la lay, cloud, please smile. Let raindrops dance for a while." The cloud mumbled, "No, I don't want to go anywhere." Flit perched beside it. "My friends miss you," she said. "They long to hear the song of the rain." This time, Flit fluttered her wings and danced. "La la la, cheer up, my dear. The forest will sing when rain is here. La la la, let your light glow. Raindrops will make the whole world glow." Hearing the song, the cloud smiled faintly. Flit sang one last tune, her eyes shining with love. "La la la, love's the way, flowers await you today. La la la, open your heart, one drop of joy is all we need to start." The cloud's face brightened, and beautiful lighting sparkled inside. Softly it rumbled, "All right, I'll bring some rain to the forest." The cloud followed Flit. As they drifted over the mountains, Flit whispered, "You'll feel better, friend. The raindrops are needed so badly. Everyone will rejoice to see you." When they reached the forest, the cloud shivered. "Ready?" it asked Flit. Tiny lightning danced in the sky. Flit nodded eagerly. "Go ahead, friend. It's your turn to sing." The cloud took a deep breath. Thunder rumbled and delicate droplets began to fall. Plip plop. The flowers lifted their heads and whispered, "Thank you." Rabbits hopped on wet grass, and frogs leaped into puddles with a ribbit. The cloud rained for a long time, quenching the forest's thirst. As it rained, its grey colour turned white. Finally, it became a beautiful, shimmering, cotton-like cloud. It glanced joyfully at Flit. "Thank you." Pouring rain lifted my spirits. I didn't realize how heavy the droplets made me feel. Flit flapped her wings happily. "You look wonderful now, friend," she chirped. "I must return to the mountain," said the cloud. "But I promise I'll visit whenever my droplets gather." Flit stroked the cloud with her wings. "Whenever you wish, I'll sing my sweetest songs for you." From that day on, the cloud visited often. It sang with Flit and showered the forest with rain. And the forest bloomed with joy, one droplet at a time.